Ang clearing operations natin, tingnan natin kung 2 to 3 days. Ang target lang naman is maklear itong area na to kasi apparently ito ay turning point ng mga sasakyan. So kung kayang magmaniobra ang sasakyan, yun ang number 1 na objective natin. Another is itong mga kawayan. Naumpisa na natin. Yan kasi ang nakita nating naging source, no? Rason kaya bumigay yung mga nagkaroon tayo ng landslide. Kaya ang another second objective natin is i-clear itong mga kawayan, which have done. Hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday, natapos na natin itong initial clearing. As to the question ng yung no-build zone, yung initial meeting namin with the barangay, the MGB, the city planning, and the CBAW, itong tatlong affected na house, definitely hindi muna pababalikin yung mga yan. We have initially cordoned din yung periphery around mga 20 meters radius nitong ground zero natin. Yun ang kinordon natin, hindi muna natin pababalikin yung mga yan. Pending yung evaluation, thorough evaluation ni MGB at ating city planning at ating CBAW, doon po tayo magde-declare ng kung talagang sino ang hindi pwedeng bumalik na. Pero looking at this, as per structural na point of view, itong cut kasi nito, medyo steep. And as per yung MGB existing nating plan, this area is a highly susceptible one in terms of landslide and soil erosion. So itong affected na to, ito ang definitely hindi muna pababalikin, no? And as to yung areas, other areas, it will be subject for further evaluation. Yung sa taas na yon, napaka-preemptive muna tayo. Preemptive evacuation pending yung actual resolution. Actually, pwede naman siya. Pero kailangan ng engineering measures para hindi ulit bumigay dito sa baba. Pinapabantayan natin, may mga bumalik. Pero pinapabantayan natin sa barangay and we also sought the help ng ating BCPO para bantayan.
Gaano po katagal bago po lumabas po yung resulta na pwede po silang bumalik, sir?
Well, we're in current coordination with MGB. No? Meron na silang, actually nag-inspect na sila during yung ating initial operations, search and rescue operations natin. Nandito na sila. We're just waiting the formal report para doon tayo magbe-base ng decision.
So sir, ano pong gagawin natin doon sa mga displaced families po?
Well, sabi ni Secretary ng DSWD, Sec Castellan, meron tayong assistance na ipro-provide from the national and from the local. Meron tayong ibibigay na pang-renta ng kanilang initial assistance para pagrentahan nila. Well, sa BIA kasi mag-start na yung school, no? Yung iba, pumunta sa kanilang kamag-anak. Others are being catered by the barangay. Meron ding isang family nandun sa aming office na naka-evacuate.
Like, how soon po yung rental assistance kaya, sir?
I'm not really sure. Pero as much as possible, we extend what we can. As to the extent, I cannot answer that right now. We will ask yung ating social welfare. Pero as to the assistance, meron pong national, manggagaling sa national at meron din sa local. Kaya I don't think it's a problem kung ano yun.